Welcome back to the Easy to Follow Cash App series, where I'm going to be teaching you today how to change or switch your linked debit card. So what you want to do is click on the Cash App logo on the bottom, the middle button, and then you'll go to the top right section where you see that icon. You scroll down to linked banks, and as you can see, I have my current MasterCard debit card here, so I will remove that. You can do either remove or replace. In this case, we're going to replace the card. And then I will enter the new debit card number. After that, you're going to enter your expiration month and expiration year, followed by the CVC code. Usually it's on the back of the card, and your zip code. And that's it. Click on Add Card. It will process for a few seconds. After that, you will have your new replacement card there. So as you can see, I have my Chase bank account, my Chase debit card, and my Amex credit card here. All right, that's it. And now you can send money to someone using your account. All right, so if you like what you saw here, make sure to watch all the other Cash App videos to learn all the ins and outs.